St. John's wort, with the Latin name Hypericum perforatum L, is colloquially known as yeast grass or binberdelic grass. St. John's wort, from the Hyperaceae family, is a plant that grows wild in temperate and hot climates. This herb, which attracts attention with its color, is processed as dried or fresh and nearly 100 species are grown in Turkey. St. John's wort, which occurs repeatedly in cold geographies and is therefore categorized as a perennial herbaceous plant, is 30 to 80 centimeters tall with its green stem and yellow flowers. These flowers are collected in the summer and have been used for centuries to treat many different diseases all over the world. Today, this valuable plant continues to be used in herbal treatments by phytotherapy specialists. What is Centaury oil? St. John's wort flowers are collected and processed and combined with olive oil. St. John's wort oil is obtained. This oil is especially used for rapid healing of scars. It also draws attention with its bioflavonoids, organic acids. St. John's wort oil, which is rich in antioxidants, hypericin and hyperforin content. Red Centaury oil is red in color. Hypericin is the anthraquinone derivative responsible for the red color of this oil. John's wort benefits. Centaury oil is known to be especially effective in healing wounds in recent years. It is said that the active ingredients in St. John's wort provide healing from sunburns to cut scars. While researches on this subject are increasing day by day, it is accepted that St. John's wort shows anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. The improvement of the digestive system of St. John's wort is also counted among the benefits of St. John's wort. The active ingredients of St. John's wort play an important role in the fight against depression. It is known that St. John's wort is a good friend in menopause, which is a difficult period for women. Shows antimicrobial effect, anti-inflammatory, acceptable, accelerates wound healing, relieves digestion, supporter in depression treatment, may reduce menopause complaints. Benefits of Centaury oil for skin, especially in the summer months, the amount and time of exposure to the sun increases. This causes skin dryness. Some skin types are already dry under all conditions. To cope with this situation, you can get support from St. John's wort oil as well as olive oil creams. Especially for calluses and heel cracks, which are very common, it will be useful to massage and apply St. John's wort oil to the skin thoroughly. How to use Centaury oil. The use of St. John's wort oil on wounds is as follows. Apply 8 to 10 drops of Centaury oil to burns, wounds, abrasions, sunburns and cesarean section wounds on the skin and apply the oil by massaging. For the stomach and digestive system, the use of Centaury oil is as follows. It is recommended to drink 1 teaspoon, 10 milliliters, 2 times a day, in the morning and evening, on an empty stomach. In this way, it has a stomach protective effect and helps to treat stomach ulcers.